Many people today are searching for small businesses they can start from home, with little investment and no fancy setup. One simple and smart idea is drying seasonal fruits and vegetables and selling them in local or online markets. It's easy to start, highly profitable, and best of all, you can do it from your own backyard. In this video, I'll guide you through the full process, from choosing the right product to drying, packing, and selling it. If you're new here and want more practical income ideas like this, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Are you ready to learn how to turn everyday fruits and vegetables into a source of steady income? Let's get started. First, choose what to dry based on what grows locally and is cheap during harvest season. Mangoes, bananas, papayas, tomatoes, chilies, amla, turmeric, and spinach are all great options. When these items are in season, they're available in large quantities at low prices, and that's the perfect time to buy. Once you've picked your product, you prepare it for drying. Buy in bulk, for example, 20 to 25 pounds for just $5 to $10. Wash them thoroughly, slice them thin and evenly. Thinner slices dry faster and more evenly. Keep everything clean. If it's mango, remove the seed. If it's tomato, remove excess moisture. Clean cutting boards and tools are a must, especially if you want to sell your product later. Now comes drying, and here you have 3 simple options. The first and most common is sun drying. Just lay the slices out on a clean cloth or mesh tray in direct sunlight. Cover them with a net to keep insects away and turn them once a day. Drying usually takes 2 to 5 days, depending on the weather and the product. The second option is using a solar dryer. These are simple boxes that trap sunlight, speed up the drying process, and keep your food protected from dust and rain. A small solar dryer costs around $40 to $100. The third option is an electric dehydrator. These are great if you live in a place with little sun or high humidity. A basic dehydrator costs around $60 to $100 and gives consistent, fast results. Once everything is fully dried, no moisture, no softness, it's time to pack. Use airtight Ziploc bags or jars to keep the product fresh. Label them with the product name, weight, expiry date, and something like 100% natural or no preservatives. This builds trust and helps you sell faster. Start with small packs, like 100 or 250 grams, so they're affordable for customers and easy for you to manage. Now you're ready to sell. Start locally. Visit nearby shops, small grocery stores, or vegetable vendors. Ask if they want to stock your dried products. Small restaurants and food stalls often buy dried onions, chilies, or tomatoes. You can also sell through WhatsApp groups, Facebook Marketplace, Instagram, or even local exhibitions and flea markets. Just take clear photos, write a simple post, and offer home delivery or pickup. Let's talk profit. Suppose you buy 22 pounds of mangoes for just $6. After drying, you'll get around 4.5 pounds of dried mango slices. If you sell them at $15 per pound, which is a common market price, you'll make about $67. That's over $60 profit from just one small batch, and you can do this again and again throughout the season. You don't need a big setup to begin. A sunny corner of your backyard, terrace, or even a balcony is enough. As demand grows, you can try other products, improve packaging, or even get bulk orders from health food stores or spice dealers. It's a clean, practical, and sustainable way to earn. And most importantly, it works. So if you're looking for a real way to make income with low risk, drying and selling seasonal produce might be the right idea for you. Try it with just one item and see how it goes. If this video helped you or gave you a new idea, don't forget to like it, share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe to this channel for more helpful content like this. Thanks for watching.